Hi and welcome to your ShurLink training. In this video, we will go through the steps on how to set the travel stops on your new ShurLink Pro remote. Before we get started, please note that if your system does not have an encoder wire, setting your travel stops will not be possible. So let's get started on your remote home page. You will then use your down arrow and click it twice until the Edit a Device line is highlighted and press the select button on your remote. Next, use the down arrow until the channel you want is highlighted. In this example, we are going to use channel 1 and press the select button. Now, press the down arrow until Set Stops is highlighted and press the select button. The menu will then prompt you to clear the existing travel stops by pressing the Accept Operational button. You will press the top right operational button on your keypad. It will say Close on the menu. Press this until your device is fully closed. Continue holding the button until the motor automatically turns off. Your system must be completely closed prior to setting your stops. Let's review that again. Your tarp or trap must be in a completely closed position prior to moving on to the next step. After your system is closed and you're ready to open your device, you will be directed to press the operational button Open to move the device to the desired open side location. Open stops should be set so the device will stop prior to making contact with any mechanical stop like the tarp stop or hopper door stop. Once you are satisfied with your stop position, press the Select button, followed by the Done Operational button, and your stop will be saved. Here's a pro tip. 1. When you are setting a stop on a tarp roll, Shur-Co recommends setting the open position about 3 to 4 inches away from the tarp stops. This will help make the tarp last longer and not strain the tarp or stitch line on the fixed tube side of the trailer. And 2. When you are setting a stop on a hopper, Shur-Co recommends setting the open position just past the hopper slope, so that the product can completely flow out of the hopper, but not up against a hard stop. This will help save stress on your hopper by not torquing up the motor unnecessarily. Reach out to any member of the Shur-Co team for further questions or clarifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll be sure to see you soon.